Hello guys, welcome to the Casual Couture. Tutorial number 03. Today we're going to make a pattern of loose shrug. So, let's start it. First thing is to take measurements. 1 across back, 2 neck, 3 chest, 4 waist, 5 full length, 6 sleeve length, 7 sleeve bottom. We are gonna cut it in 4 steps. Step 1. Shoulder part. Take a rectangular piece of paper. Measure 4 inches. Measure half of across back. Measure neck 2 inches to 3 inches. Now measure depth of neck. Draw curve. Cut it. For the back part, take neck breadth as front but depth less than front. Cut it. Step 2. Flare part. Take a long piece of paper and fold in half and measure 1/4 of chest and add 4 inches then. Measure full length as you like and less 4 inches from in this. Now measure half of across back and then less 4 inches in this. Now measure half of across back and add 4 inches in it. Now join the shoulder lines and make a curve. Measure half of across back from just below the arm curve. Now measure the 1/4 waist and add 1 inches in the plane of previous line end. Now join the lines as in picture. You can make it broad as much you want. But make sure measure same height as your first flare and make curve while joining. Step 3. Sleeves. Take a rectangle piece of paper and fold in half. Measure sleeve length now. Measure half of across back. And measure 1 inches on top and 4 inches or 4.5 inches on side line. Join it diagonally. Now make a curve. While making a curve on lower side, don't exceed curve more than 1 inches. Now measure half bottom and add 1 inches. Join arm line. Use hip curve if possible. Back part of sleeve. For back part, only curve changes. This time draw curve only on upper side. Use French curve if possible. Now draw bottom line as previous. Join the line and cut out. While opening the pattern, sleeve should look like this. Last step. Step 4. Additional parts, button line and neck frill. Take 2 narrow pieces of paper and measure full length and add 2 inches then. Measure thrice of your neck. Take breadth of button line 2.5 inches. And for frill 2 inches or 2.5 inches. Now it's done.